Friday ndio tulikamata, mimi nilikamata. Kaambiwa
the prosecution has not demonstrated how the respondents will interfere with witnesses and also how they do not have a fixed place of abode. Bail and bond is a constitutional right to any arrested person as per Article 49(1) G and H, unless there are compelling reasons presented by the prosecution to warrant such a denial. However, considering the sensitivity of the allegations and this being a matter of a sexual nature, I will reluctantly grant the prosecution 3 working days to complete the investigations. The 3 respondents to be remanded at Gatundu Police Station, mentioned on the 5th of February 2026 for further directions.